Balloon Kyphoplasty. Introduction. Fractures in the vertebrae can cause the spine to bend. Select true or false. Correct. This bending, which is called kyphosis, can cause weakness in the spine and lead to multiple fractures if not treated. Are heart attacks and other anesthesia-related complications common during and after spine operations? Select yes or no. Correct. Anesthesia is now very safe. However, the older you are and the more medical problems you have, the higher the risks. You should make your anesthesiologist aware of any medical problems you have had in the past, such as heart attacks and lung problems. Infections are very common after balloon kyphoplasty. Select true or false. Correct. Infections are very rare. Though rare, infections, bleeding, and scarring may occur. Paralysis is a common risk during balloon kyphoplasty. Select true or false. Correct. Paralysis and weakness are very rare in balloon kyphoplasty. Balloon kyphoplasty will always prevent other fractures from happening elsewhere in the spine. Select true or false. Correct. Other fractures may still happen. Even though the spinal shape will be straightened and made more stable, underlying problems may still exist. Conditions and diseases such as osteoporosis that may have led to the original fracture could still cause additional fractures. It is important to treat any underlying cause.
Thank you for using Explain.